आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Question is, can girdling experiments be done in monocots? If yes, how? And if no, why not? So our answer will be girdling experiments that does not occur in case of monocots, because if we talk about girdling experiment, then in this a ring of bark is removed from a woody plant. So there is a ring of bark that is removed from the woody plant for the girdling experiment. Whereas in case of monocots, there is vascular bundle is present, which is in the scattered form. So vascular bundle and vascular tissues are in a scattered form. So they are in a scattered form in case of monocots, whereas the experiments is that girdling experiment in which the continuity of vascular tissue is disturbed by their removal are known as girdling experiments. But in this case we see that in case of monocots these vascular bundles are in a scattered form. So that's why the girdling experiment cannot be done in case of monocots, whereas a ring of bark that is we removed in case of girdling experiments, the phloem part should be well developed. So the ring of bark that we removed from the woody plant in which phloems are present need to be well developed. But in case of monocot, this phloem and xylems are scattered and they are not in well developed conditions. So that's why this random arrangements of xylem and phloem in case of monocots leads to not having the girdling experiments, but in case of dicot, these are the well developed. These phloem and xylems are in well developed conditions. So in case of dicot, this girdling experiment can be done as there is well developed phloem and xylems are present. So there is well developed phloem and xylems are present, whereas in case of monocots, this well developed phloem and xylems are absent. So girdling experiments cannot be done in case of monocots. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।